Jai Swaminarayan friends. Here we continue the fourth chapter quadratic equation and in this chapter we discuss another problem sums. Here we write the two questions. First question, the price of sugar. The price of sugar decreased by rupees 5. Decrease by rupees 5. First we explain this statement. The price of sugar decreased by rupees 5. Suppose give an example. Suppose 40 rupees per kg. 40 rupees per kg sugar price. Suppose 40 rupees per kg sugar price. Here this question, the price of sugar decreased by rupees 5. Suppose 40 rupees per kg we take 4 kg sugar. We purchase the 4 kg sugar. So total we give the 160 rupees. Is it clear? If 40 rupees per kg sugar price, we purchase the 4 kg sugar. So total we give the 160 rupees. Is it clear? Okay. Now if the price of 5 rupees decrease, that is 35 rupees. Now price will be decrease. Right? Now 35 rupees per kg sugar, we purchase our price here 1 kg more sugar in rupees 150. We take 160 rupees sugar compulsory. 160 rupees sugar compulsory. So naturally first time 4 kg, now second time more than 4 kg sugar because price will be decreased. Is that clear? If 40 rupees per kg, we purchase the 4 kg sugar 160 rupees. We have 160 rupees in our pocket, right? So we purchase the 4 kg sugar. Now in next time price will be decreased 5 rupees. So 1 kg price is 35 rupees. We have 160 rupees compulsory 160 rupees. So here more than 4 kg sugar we purchase it. Is it clear? Okay. So first we suppose this one. First we suppose this price. Final question is, what is the price of the sugar of 1 kg? 1 kg sugar price. So first we suppose let 1 kg sugar price equal to rupees X. 1 kg sugar price equal to rupees X. Is that clear? Okay. Here we purchase the rupees 150. Total 150 rupees. So here step here, we write here rupees X equal to 1 kg sugar. Rupees X equal to 1 kg sugar. We have total rupees, how many rupees? 150 rupees. So in a question mark. Is that clear? Here rupees X equal to 1 kg. Therefore 150 rupees equal to question mark. So first step 150 upon X. Cross multiplication 150 upon X. Rupees cancel. Answer is kg. So our first price 150 upon X kg. If here 30 rupees per kg, so 150 upon 30, 5 kg we purchase. Okay. Now repeat. The price of sugar decreased by rupees 5. Now new price. Therefore decreasing price. Decreasing price equal to now rupees X minus 5. So the price of sugar decreased by 5 rupees. Therefore the decreasing price is rupees X minus 5. Again write here this step. Again. So rupees X minus 5 equal to again 1 kg. Now new price X minus 5 rupees equal to 1 kg. Therefore rupees 150 equal to question mark. Okay. So 150 upon X minus 5. Rupees cancel. So unit is kg. Is that clear? Okay. Now compare these two steps. Always compare these two steps. So we write here 150 upon X equal to 150 upon x minus 5. Suppose here purchase 5 kg, now price decrease, so here more than 5 kg sugar. Here we purchase the more than 5 kg. Suppose here 5 kg and here 6 kg. So here 5 kg 150 upon x. Suppose give an example 5 kg and here 6 kg. Now balance these two sides. Balance. Otherwise here you add in 1. Add the 1. So 5 plus 1 equal to 6. And second option here subtract 1. So also both sides same. Clear? Okay. So our rule says in this sum, when in denominator here x minus 5 or x plus 5, any one, the price, if price will be decreased, x minus 5, if price will be increased, so x plus 5. If you write here minus sign, then here always minus. If you write here plus sign, then always plus. Is it clear? Same rule. So 150 upon x minus 5, this one is a kg, this one is also kg. Both side kg. Now read here question. 1 kg more sugar in 150 rupees. So here 1 kg. Right? First time we purchase the 5 kg. First time we purchase the 5 kg. Second time price will be decreased. Price will be decreased. So denominator smaller. So division is greater. Right? So here 6 answers. So 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Now solve this equation by quadratic equation. Any method. So this equation of this concept. Equation of the concept of this one is first we write here 1 in left side. Okay. Then 150 upon x minus 5 as it is. And minus 150 upon x. Okay. Clear? Now 150 is the common. 150 is the common. So here 1 upon x minus 5 and here 1 upon x. Okay. Now cross multiplication. 1 equal to 150 cross multiplication. X into x minus 5. Minus sign as it is. Here multiply by x and here x minus 5. But here minus. So answer x plus 5. Clear? If your sum is right, then here always x will be cancelled. Always. So remaining term 1 equal to 150 into 5 upon, open the bracket, x square minus 5x. Okay. So this term is denominator, multiply by 1. So x square minus 5x equal to 15 5s are 750. So our quadratic equation x square minus 5x minus 750 equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation. Now any one method you can apply it. First one factorization, second one completing square method, third one discrimination formula. Any one. In any problem sum, always you can apply the factorization method. Common. Right? Discrimination method is also common. Okay? So first we are splitting the 750. Last term is negative. So 75. 750. 5 5s are 25. 25 3s are 75. This is the factor of the 75. Now factor of the 10. So 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now select any two group. Subtract this two group is the 5. Here 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 30. First term. 5 2s are 10. 10 3s are 30. And 5 5s are 25. Here 25 into 30. 25 into 30, 750. 30 minus 25, 5. Here 30 is the bigger number, so we give the negative sign. Last term is the positive, negative, so we give the both the term opposite sign. So our factor is x minus 30 and x plus 25 equal to 0. Is that clear? Okay. So we give the 0, so x equal to 30 and x equal to minus 25. Negative value, price of the 1 kg sugar negative never can be possible. So here answer is not possible, minus 25. So our 1 kg sugar price is rupees x. Here, final question is what is the price of the sugar? 1 kg. So final price is 30 rupees. You can also verify this one. Here, put here 30 in this equation. X equal to 30. 150 divided by 35. Right? Here, 30 minus 5, 25. 30 minus 5, 25. Right? 150 divided by 25, 25 6 are 150. So 6 minus 1, 5. Here also 5 and here also 5. So our answer is right. So final step is here. Therefore we write this statement is final answer statement. 1 kg sugar price is rupees equal to rupees 30. Is that clear? Okay. Now we discuss the second question. If the price of the petrol is increased by rupees 5 per liter, that means suppose first price is 1 liter equal to 60 rupees, then next price is 60 plus 5 rupees. 5 rupees increase. Now price will be increased, so quantity will be decreased. Naturally, first time we purchase, if 60 rupees per liter petrol, we purchase the 1000 rupees petrol. We purchase 1000 rupees petrol. Now again 1000 rupees petrol, but here price will be 65. Here 60 rupees per liter price, we purchase the 1000 rupees petrol. Here 65 rupees the per liter price, we purchase again 1000 rupees petrol. This first time, suppose we take here 7 liter or otherwise 10 liter, anyone. So next time we purchase the 9 liter because price will be increased. Clear? So if price will be increased, then quantity will be decreased. Okay? Now let's suppose if the price of the petrol is increased by rupees 5 liter, one get 2 liter less petrol spending rupees 1320. Here we purchase the rupees 1320. Right? Clear? Now what is the increased price of the petrol? Here question is what is the increased price? So first we suppose the original price. Let rupees X be the original price of 1 liter petrol. Is that clear? Let rupees X be the original price of the 1 liter petrol. Here we purchase the 1320 rupees per liter petrol. So right step here, rupees X equal to 1 liter petrol. Rupees X equal to 1 liter petrol. Now rupees 130 total here. So equal to question mark. Clear? So step here 1320 upon X, rupees cancel. Answer is in liter. Answer is in liter form. Clear? Now price, if the price of the petrol is increased by 5 rupees per liter. Now new price. New price. Rupees X plus 5 rupees. Clear? Again we write the step here. Rupees X plus 5 equal to 1 liter. Now rupees X plus 5 equal to 1 liter petrol. Therefore rupees 1320 equal to question mark. So rupees cancel, cross multiplication 1320 upon X plus 5 rupees liter. Clear? Here also liter and here also liter. In this type of sum, always we give the 2 result. Always we get the 2 result. Now compare this 2 result. First one 1320 upon X and second one 1320 upon X plus 5. Clear? Okay. We already explained the first sum. Here. Look here X plus 5. So here plus sign, so always plus sign. Here negative sign, so we write here negative sign. Clear? This your unit liter is also liter. It is also liter. Right? Now read your question. Increase by rupees 5 per liter. One gets 2 liter less petrol. 2 liter. If you write here 2, so minus. Here price suppose 60 rupees. Now here 65. So denominator is greater. So denominator greater, so division will be smaller. Right? Here X 60 and here 65. So here answer is suppose 10 liter. 10 liter. So here answer is 9 liter or 8 liter. Now compare this two. So here always plus 2. Otherwise here minus 2. Anyone. But our concept is what this equation I already explained. So here if we have plus sign, so we write always plus sign. If we have negative sign, so we write here negative sign. Is that clear? Okay. Now left side in this term. 1320 upon x minus 1320 upon x plus 5 equal to 2. Okay? Clear? Now 1320 is the common. 1320 is the common. So 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 5 equal to 2. Okay? Now cross multiplication here. X into x plus 5. Negative sign as it is. Now cross multiplication. X plus 5. Okay? Minus x. And here 2 upon 1320. 1320 in denominator. Clear? Look here. X cancel. That means our sum is right. Clear? So 5 upon, open the bracket, denominator, x square plus 5x. Cut here. 2 6 are 12. 1 2 again 2 6 are and 0. So 1 upon 6 6 0. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry on. Again 12. 2 6 are 12 and 2 into 0. Now cross multiplication. 0 5 6 are 33, carry on, again 33, and here x square plus 5x. Okay, now 3300 is right side. So our quadratic equation x square plus 5x minus 3300 equal to 0. Okay, here again last term will be negative. So factorize is splitting here. 3300, that is 33 3 into 11 and 100, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 and 20 5s are 100. Is it clear? Now select any two numbers. Otherwise two group. Subtract this two group is 5. We try here. 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50. 11 3s are 33, 33 2s are 66. 66 minus 50 not possible. Our answer is 5. Again 5 3 11 5s are 55. 11 5s are 55. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 3s are 60. Completed. 60. 5 into 11 55. Look here. 11 5s are 55. 11 5s are. Then 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60. 60 into 55. Answer is 3300, and subtract this two number is always 5. 60 is the bigger number, so we give the positive sign. So here factor is x plus 60 and x minus 55 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 60 is not possible. X equal to 55. Alright, our question is let rupees x be the original price of 1 liter petrol. So 55 rupees is the original price of the 1 liter petrol. But our final question is what is the increased price of the petrol? What is the increased price? So increased price is, that means new price, x plus 5 rupees. Right? Read this final sentence statement. So therefore new price equal to 55 plus 5 equal to rupees 60. Is that clear? Okay.